Finch, welcome back to my channel. Do you like that I'm half redecorating my office so there's only a mural on half of the wall? Cool. In today's video, I'm showing you guys how you can easily and quickly create your very own YouTube video intros, Instagram stories, or TikToks, like how I got this clone effect on this one, and more using just one free app that comes with tons of free templates. My dream. Sometimes I get overwhelmed with like the amount of editing apps there are out there. There are literally hundreds, and I have tested personally literally hundreds. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I'm super into that stuff. But always my goal is kind of finding an app that's a one-stop shop. And now that I finally found one that I actually like the best, I have to show it to you guys. Thank you so much to VITA for sponsoring today's video, and let's get into it. So this app is called VITA. It is completely free to download and easy to use, and I'm gonna walk you guys through literally all the possibilities of what you can do on there. So let's do it. Okay, so here's what the app looks like when you first open it up. It leads you right to this templates page. And as you can see, these are all gonna be templates. And you can literally just click on one and it'll show you what the template looks like. So if we go back, at the very top, there's all these categories that you can choose from. What's awesome is that they have both like horizontal videos and vertical, so it's perfect for Instagram, but also YouTube, TikTok, literally anything. So as you can see, all of the different categories at the top, we have new, popular, we have some Halloween themed ones. Ooh. Okay, sorry, getting distracted already. TikTok, so these ones are great for TikTok. We have Instagram. Ooh, a little lookbook action. YouTube intros, tons of really fun ones, and a lot of like really aesthetic ones. I love these ones that look like a computer. I think that's super cute. Vlog, and then even more categories. And you can actually see how popular a certain template is by the number of likes, which are these hearts, and it says 18,000 uses, which is a lot of uses, so you can tell how popular they are, which is really cool. Oh, this is cute for Halloween. They just added a bunch of Halloween effects, which I'm pretty stoked about. So like I said, all you would do to basically start customizing these templates is click on the one that you like, and then just click use now. And now what it's gonna prompt you to do is select your media. So either your photos or your videos, it's gonna show you how many seconds of each you want. So just for example's sake, let's just pretend I'm gonna put in this one, and this one, and this one. We're doing a workout video. Then you click the arrow, and it's gonna put your videos immediately right into that template. Now, if you don't like the way that they were arranged, or you don't like which part of the video it showed, then you can click on each video and actually edit the video. So you can either change it to a different video or photo, or click edit, and then here you can basically choose like where it's gonna start. So this is gonna go for 4 seconds, but I'm actually gonna keep it at the start because I like that. You can also like zoom it in or out, or basically whatever you wanna do, but I actually liked that one, so I'm gonna keep it the same. This one didn't have any text, so that ends up just being the final video, but if you had any text in the template, it would give you an option to change the text. I just actually uploaded a birthday vlog over on my vlog channel, which if you aren't following, I will link down below. But the intro that I used for my birthday vlog was actually this template right here. So as you can see, I just put my own photos and videos into it and edited them the way that I liked them. And then it said birthday vlog. So you notice how there's this watermark in the upper right-hand corner. So you can actually get rid of that for free on the app. So how you get rid of the watermark is you go over to the project tab on the bottom and then click this gear in the upper right-hand corner, and then you just toggle off the watermark. So that's pretty sweet that you can do that for free. Most of the time you'd have to pay to do that, but not here. So yeah, for my birthday vlog intro, all I did was click the template, replaced it with the videos and pictures I wanted, and edited the text, and here was the final result. Now I want to actually walk you guys through a template that I am going to be using for my TikTok vlog intros, and it is this Windows vlog template. So here's what it looks like. I'm just gonna click use now, and I have a folder on my phone where I keep kind of my TikTok videos. If I'm doing like a vlog throughout the day, then I will just go put them all in that folder. So I'm just gonna click on all of these and then click over. Cute. cute, right? There was no text I could edit, so that's all I do. And then I just push export and it's done. So as you can see, there are just tons of amazing templates to choose from. There are literally hundreds. But then of course, if you want to create your own project, you can do that too. So how you would do that is you would just click on this project button at the very bottom, then go ahead and click on new project. And here's where you would choose your media, so your pictures or your images. So for the sake of this video, I'll just show you how I would make a really quick, cute little intro to this video. I just took some sample clips that are kind of random and weird, but here we go. So I click on the clips that I want and then click next. So as you can see, you have so many options here. This is the timeline where you can just see all the clips. So then is where we can add some effects. So if you click on the effect button and then you click effect again, as you can see, there are so many. So we have zoom ins and slow zoom ins and like recording. We have zoom out, we have blur, any of these. Then we have some really fun Halloween effects, which I am like dying to use. I'm so excited. We've got some red debris. Ooh, we have bats. Ha. We've got like this filter and this darkness. I really like this one. So many different Halloween spooky ones. And we have like cute little borders, VHS look. I really like that one, so I'm gonna leave that one. Okay, let's say you like that effect, so I'm gonna click this check mark. But then let's say you wanna add another effect on top of this one. You would just click these arrows back and then click effect again, and then you'd be able to add another one. This is one of my favorite features, is all of these frames. Look at how cute these different like MacBook frames. They look like phones. They look like all these cool little frames. So I'm just gonna do that for a second, but I'm gonna make that one smaller. So it's only gonna be like that at the very beginning. Boom. Okay, then I'm gonna go back and add another effect. So look at how many different frames there are. Oh my gosh. You can literally even have it look like a live stream. That is so cool. What the heck? 3, 2, 1, go. I'm gonna definitely do that. When it gets to here, maybe I want to add even more effects. Glitter on black, glitter on white, kind of like that Instagram filter that you guys have probably seen. Okay, so that's enough effects for now, you guys get it. Then if you push back again, you can add music, you can add text, you can add stickers. Yeah. So then let's go ahead and add some text. Aesthetic video apps. So that's where you add the text, and then you can change the font to all these different kinds of fonts and colors, which is really cool. You could make it just look like a VHS, which is awesome. Or you can choose from a style that already exists. So let's just say we wanted it to look like that, or like that, or like that. Literally anything. Wow, they have a lot of options. But I think I am gonna stick to my VCR one. And then you can also have it animate. So you can have it spin in, slide in. You can have it kind of like fade out, spin out. That's what I'm gonna have. Okay. And lastly, you guys, there's some really cool and unique stickers to choose from. So if you click on that sticker button, you have obviously like some regular emojis. Then you have really cool ones like these volume things, QR codes. If you were doing a cute thing and you wanted it to look like a Spotify little, you know, music player, that's super cute. I love this. You have all these icons, these little texting blurbs. Oh, cute. Doesn't really make sense for this intro, but it's not the point. All the icons for the computer. Then you have like sparkles and little like moving icons, which are super cute. Again, we have a bunch of Halloween ones, which I love. Ooh, I like these stars. Those are cute. Then you have like a bunch of different styles of letters, which I think is super cool. And then here's where all of the interfaces, like the cameras and the phones, you could make it your screen look like a flip phone. I'm obsessed. Guys, there are literally so many to choose from. It's almost overwhelming, but that's so awesome. Oh, last thing, you can also add picture in picture. And what that means is you can basically add another image or video on top of one that you're currently editing. I can literally go like that and just have it go like that. It'll just like pop up. Boom. So maybe that's not the look you want, but it's really cool that you can do that. Okay, and then lastly, for the final touch, we want to go ahead and add some music. So what's super cool is that they have all of this music that we can choose from. We got all these playlists, top 20, tons of really aesthetic, like indie vibe songs. I'm just gonna use that one. So let's say that is it. Then I just push export and then it saves my video. So then after it's fully exported, we can view the final video here. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please show me any of your creations by tagging me on Instagram. I want to see what you guys create with this app. There are literally so many possibilities, and you'll be seeing me use it a lot for upcoming Instagrams and stories and TikToks and YouTube intros and things like that. So if you guys want to download the app, click on the link in my description box. I will also pin a comment that has the link, so you can just click it right there. I highly recommend this app, seriously, for like any video editing that you have to do. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here and give it a thumbs up to show me that you want more videos like this, and I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.